Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we're going to be reviewing this metal headboard. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes, the box, and this is what the headboard looks like. Let's go ahead and I'm going to take out all the pieces and then I'm going to set them out so that it's easier to put this thing together, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it together. Okay, so let's get started. It says you want to start off by getting these pieces right here, and then you're going to connect the C's, which is this one right here. So you're going to connect it like this. Okay, so you're going to connect all of them with these screws. It's the only screws that come in here, which are the G's. So you're going to start off by doing that one. Let's go ahead and show you. Just connect it right there and then screw this in. And then make sure that all the pieces are facing the same way, like the metal pieces, that they're on the same side, like this is on the back side. So then I'm going to come over and do the same thing with this one. Connect it to the back side. Just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing, get another C, connect it this way, screw it in, and then I'm going to get the other rounded one and I'm going to be placing it on this side. Okay, so the next step, we're going to flip it this way, and then we're going to take all the D's and we're going to put them in here. Again, make sure the thing is facing that way, and then we're just going to screw them on just like so. And then we're going to do that to all three little legs that are sticking out. Just like that. So you're going to do it on this one and this last one way over there. Okay, and then once you're done with that part, you're actually going to grab this right here. You're going to lay them across, and you're going to do this to all of the corners. You're going to do it top and bottom to this side and that side. And then you're just going to screw it in. So you're going to place them like this, and then you're going to screw it in to the board, which is on the other side. So I need to lay out the boards real quick and then I'll show you. Okay, so you're going to want to actually face this bar this way. So this is going to go on top of this. Just kind of hold it. And then you're going to push this board up so that you can actually screw it in. And then you're just going to screw it in like that. Same thing with this side. Just line it all up. We're going to take another bar, put it on this side, and after you're done doing this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like once you're done. So just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps on that side. Okay, and then once you're done with that, there's going to be 2 extra spots on each board. You're just going to screw these right into there, and that's just to keep everything nice and straight. So once I'm done screwing these in, I'll show you what's next. Okay, and that is literally it. That's all there is to it. So now I'm just going to pick it up. I need to get me some bolts so that I can actually attach this to my bed frame. But then other than that, it's finished. So let me come over here. So that is what it's going to look like. And then let me see if I can't find some bolts to attach this together. Okay, so that is what it looks like all finished, as you can see, with the bedboard and everything on it. Super, super nice. So this is what it looks like with the bed on it. I didn't put the top comforters or anything like that on yet, but very, very cute. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.